Hello, little learners. Namaste, bachcho. Today we will learn naming words.
Yay! Grammar class!
Everything around us has a name.
This is a ball. ये एक गेंद है. Ball is a naming word.
Ball! I like playing with balls.
Very good, Benny.
This is a cat. ये एक बिल्ली है. Cat is a naming word. Cat! Cats are cute. Excellent, students.
This is a school. ये एक school है. School is a naming word.
School. We learn in school.
Correct, Hugo?
A naming word tells the name of a person, place, animal, or thing. Oh, everything has a name. That means names are naming words. Wonderful, Ruby.
This is a boy. ये एक लड़का है. Boy is a naming word. Boy!
Girl is also a naming word.
Excellent.
This is a dog.
ये एक कुत्ता है.
Dog is a naming word. Horse is also a naming word.
And bear too.
Very good, students.
This is a park. ये एक park है. Park is a naming word.
Park. I love going to parks.
Wonderful, Ruby.
This is an apple. ये एक सेब है. Apple is a naming word.
Apple.
Toy is also a naming word.
Excellent, Hugo.
Tell me one naming word from each category.
For person, hop, boy.
For animal,
hop, rabbit. For place, park. For thing, ball.
excellent students.
Let's revise together.
Boy, cat,
Ball.
school, apple.
Excellent learners. Great job, little learners.
बहुत अच्छा बच्चों.
We learned naming words.
That was fun.
See you next time.
Bye everyone.
For more amazing videos, visit our YouTube channel, LearnOphant. Don't forget to like, share with your friends, and subscribe. See you again on LearnOphant.